Book of Heaven, Volume 12, October 3rd, 1918. How Justice Must Balance Itself. I was praying, blessed Jesus, that he would placate himself, and he came for just a little, and I said to him, my love Jesus, how awful it is to live in these times. Everywhere one hears tears and sees pains. My heart bleeds, and if your holy will did not sustain me, I certainly would not be able to live any longer. But oh, how much sweeter would death be for me. And my sweet Jesus told me,
my daughter, it is my justice that must balance itself. Everything is balance in me. However, the scourge of death touches souls with the imprint of grace, so much so that almost all of them ask for the last sacraments. Man has reached such extent that only when he sees his own flesh being touched and feels himself being undone, he shakes himself. So much so that others who are not being touched live lightheartedly and continue the life of sin. It is necessary for death to harvest in order to remove many lives which do nothing other than make thorns sprout beneath their steps, and this in all classes, secular and religious. Ah, my daughter, these are times of patience. Do not become alarmed, and pray that everything may abound to my glory and for the good of all.